Hi my dear friends, I'm Azada, and today we're going to make a beautiful two-color Baslogh, a soft and chewy Persian-style Turkish delight that turns out absolutely perfect. Then place it over steam and let it cook until the mixture becomes completely smooth and translucent. Then place it over steam and let it cook until the mixture becomes completely smooth and translucent. Stir the mixture well until everything is fully combined. Now weigh it carefully and divide it into two portions, one 100 grams and the other 160 grams. Stir patiently until the starch is completely dissolved in the liquid and no lumps remain. Once the mixture is perfectly smooth and uniform, set it aside and move on to the 100-gram portion. Now transfer the two prepared mixtures into two separate saucepans and place them over low heat. Keep stirring continuously as they cook to make sure the texture stays smooth and lump-free. When the mixture starts to thicken slightly and gain some body, add 1 tablespoon of liquid glucose. From this point on, don't stop stirring. Keep mixing continuously so the texture stays smooth and doesn't stick. If you've enjoyed and found this video helpful so far, don't forget to give it a like. Subscribe to the channel so you won't miss our next delicious tutorials. Keep stirring until the mixture fully thickens, no longer sticks to the sides of the pan, turns glossy and cohesive, and starts pulling together right in the center of the pan. Now pour the red mixture into a mold lined with greased parchment paper and lightly dusted with cornstarch or desiccated coconut. Spread it evenly and smooth out the surface. Then gently pour the green layer over the first one and carefully level the top again so it's nice and even. Then place the mold in the refrigerator and let it chill for about 2 to 3 hours until it's fully set and firm. To get clean and neat slices, lightly dip the tip of your knife in cornstarch. Then gently cut the Baslogh into any size or shape you like, smooth, easy, and perfectly defined. Finally, roll the sliced Baslogh pieces in desiccated coconut so they don't stick to each other.